site visit of the Goro River, the case study of course. We are doing the case study of the Goro River. So before reaching to that point, what we will do, what is your responsibilities, I will tell you. So first of all, you must know the location of that particular river. What is the location? And you should have to get some information from the internet, the rainfall data information, humidity, temperature, etc. etc. These data will be helpful to see the totally the information about the Goro River. Now what we do, we will have to do some measurements. We will have to measure the river widths from end to end. So two students will be there. They will have to measure from end to end of this point of the levees to the end of the another levees. So bank to bank, end of the bank, right bank to the left bank. And then note down that measurement. Then one student will have to proceed like this stepwise, 50 steps. After finishing each 50 steps, then again measure the width W1, W2, W3, W4, W5 up to the end of the Malka Jabru bridge, at the point of the Malka Jabru bridge. So these measurements will do. Okay? Then we will have to collect the soil sample from the site after every 150 meter. Mato Hamsa meter, we will have to collect the soil sample hard less so. 3 samples are 2 kg, and then we will have to analyze the particle size distribution in the soil layer later on. Okay, that is our another task. Then we will have to observe the various RTW structures, river trending works, and we will have to take the pictures, and we will see how they are failure. There are some failures at the site. We will observe, and you will have to measure how much is the length of the failure. One student can measure that length. Now, before starting the site visit, we will have to get some information from the local people. We will ask some questions from the people which are living in that area. Number one question is, what is the origin of the Goro River? What is the origin of the Goro River, and how many times the flood come? Whether there is some loss because of that flood or not. Just ask from the people. Maybe they will say no. Some people they don't know. No problem. Just ask the question. Then we should know the information on an average basis how much the bullock carts, in local language Belagadi, how many bullock carts they are carrying in a day on an average basis. So by knowing the number of the bullock carts, we can multiply by 366 days and we can get the total quantity. So we must know the size of the bullock cart. You will have to measure the bullock cart size, and then based on that we will get the total quantity of the sand in cubic meter or million cubic meter. So our main objective is how much the sediment load is coming because of the erosion. It said sediment is coming because of the erosion. So how much is the total sand is coming annually and depositing in the low-lying area. That is very important. Of course, our specific objective is how the morphology of the river is going to change. Because of that reason, we are going to measure the widths after every 50 meter. Then some people are constructing the blocks. They have a machine. So we will just ask the procedure. They will tell you. And what is the total cost of that machine, block making machine they have. So this is a brief. Then finally when we will finish at the site, then there is some information about the bridge. So you will have to take the measurement. We will ask from the supervisor. There is a local supervisor. He will explain you little ideas about all the detailing of the what is the total cost of that project, when they are going to finish that bridge, and when they are going to start that roadway. So, because for the timing, no vehicle is passing from that side. So how much time it will be required to finish that full project? As per the information yesterday, they told us that the total cost of that project is 100 million bits. So we will ask some other information from them. So this is just a brief idea, and after that, after coming back, you will have to make a report on this that will carry 10 marks totally, 6 marks for the report and 4 marks for the presentation. You will have to submit that report from today after 10 days. That is your submission date. Other things I will have to continue side by side. I will give the demonstration continuously. Thank you.